Performance isn't a one-size-fits-all type of deal, especially not when it comes to transmissions. Because if an engine brings the brawn, the transmission brings the brain. Like this brain here, a tried and true 8L90 8-speed automatic transmission from GM Genuine Parts, used in everything from the C7 Corvette to a generation of Silverados. How can that be? How can the same transmission carefully manage the power of a legendary performance coupe and a rough and tumble pickup? Well, if you choose a generic aftermarket transmission replacement, chances are it won't. Because only transmissions from GM Genuine Parts are specifically calibrated for each vehicle model and engine combination. Which means this is one OE transmission with a whole lot of moods. And that makes all the difference. Some competitors may only offer one version of a transmission, but GM Genuine Parts offers unique part numbers by vehicle application, engine combination, and model year. Because you didn't buy a sports car to pull 5,000 pounds at the track, but you probably did buy a pickup to pull 5,000 pounds, well, someplace else. So when it's time to get back in gear, remember that certainty starts here. Choose transmissions, engine assemblies, and transfer cases from GM Genuine Parts. All designed, engineered, tested, and backed by General Motors.